are. So glad you made it here. I was just thinking about you. I got my woodpecker whirligig kits ready to go, and I want to show you how to put them together today. It's pretty simple. It's about 5, you got to drill 5 holes, basically, is what you got to do. Friends, that's the woodpecker whirligig kit. I got 3 of them ready to go. I'll be selling them in my Etsy shop. Friends, thanks for stopping by. I sure appreciate it. Take care. We'll see you down the trail. Bye now.